Hey guys, welcome back to Favors, and today I'm going to show you something really satisfying I just found on the internet. This is the most satisfying thing anyone has ever imagined. So, let's start.
Don't go look at me with that look in your eye.
Can you guys see?
You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can't be reasoned with them, don't be impolite. I've told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times.
What I did was actually I made this fall and then the other would fall until it ends. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and also make the notification bell go ding ding ding. And if you don't, rumor has it, a brick will like this, but even bigger, big as this cycle, will fall on your head. So, bye fairies!